Duper crayons. Hello friends and welcome back to Super Duper Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute little caterpillar. Are you ready? Let's draw and paint together. Draw a small circle for the caterpillar head. Great job! Now let's draw the body by adding more circle until caterpillar is nice and long. Let's give our caterpillar some tiny legs. Now draw little ropey lines for tentacles. Let's add two happy eyes and a smiley face. Yay! You did it! Now I'm using this black marker to make this awesome drawing more clear. Finally, it's time to color. Let's start coloring. Yellow, red, green, orange, blue, purple, brown. Wow, amazing! Caterpillar with rainbow colors looks beautiful. If you had a fun drawing today, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Hello kids, do you know caterpillar turns into butterfly after a few weeks? Let's draw and paint together a cute butterfly. First we will draw butterfly base, eyes, then her belly, butterfly wings, add detail with lines in butterfly wings. Let's draw butterfly antenna. Yay! You did this! Now I'm using this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's color. Brown, Orange. Green. Red. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Blue. Purple. Yellow. Wow, amazing! Butterfly with rainbow colors look beautiful. If you like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.